Family on the Face channel. My name is Janet, and in today's video we will be making chicken curry or curry chicken, however you say it. Remember, for all the ingredients and measurement that we will be using in this video will be listed down below in the description box. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Let's get started, guys.
Let's get started.
For my curry, I am using some Lalah's curry powder. I have some Indo-West Indian masala. I have some oil. I also have Indo-West Indian Geera, chicken bouillon, accent, adobo, salt, my chicken, potato. I have scallion, celery leaves, bandana, also known as cilantro, pimento pepper, hot Scotch Bonnet Pepper, garlic, onion. I have some all-purpose seasoning, some Goya Sazon. So let's get started. So I'm adding my potato to this pot, and I'm going to allow this to boil completely to the softness that I like, with 1 teaspoon of adobo seasoning. Now I'm gonna get started on my green seasoning. So while my potato is boiling, I am going to get started on my green seasoning. And I'm only going to be using a part of this Scotch bonnet because this is hot. Here I'm adding some water to help my blender. I'm going to make this into a paste. I like mine's more of a paste rather than chunky. So this is my green seasoning, guys. I'm going to pour this into my plate. To this plate of green seasoning, I'm adding my curry powder. I am going to add my masala, my Geera. I'm going to add my Goya Sazon. I'm going to use the whole pack of this. I'm going to add my adobo, adding my accent, my chicken flavor bouillon, and I'm going to add my all-purpose seasoning. Okay. After adding all my seasonings to the plate, I am going to head over to the stove now. My stove is on medium heat, and I'm going to add some oil. Now that my oil is hot, I'm going to go ahead and add my seasoning. I'm going to allow this to fry. for about 2 minutes before I add the chicken to this. So you want to let this fry on the medium heat for about 2 minutes. Keep on stirring so your masala doesn't burn. So this is how you know when your masala is ready, guys. When it starts sticking to the bottom of the pot and the oil starts separating from the masala. As you can see, there's no water in here. It's just all the masala and the oil. So I'm going to add my chicken to this now. It's been almost 2 minutes since this is frying. You're going to stir this. Make sure your masala is mixed in really well with the chicken. And you're going to let this fry. This process may take almost 15 minutes. While this is frying, I'm going to add my salt. Mix that in. Make sure you stir your curry, guys, every now and then within that 15 minutes of frying so that it doesn't burn. And my stove is always on a medium heat. That way my curry don't burn. Okay, so my curry has been almost 10 minutes on the stove. So I'm not going to add any water as yet because I want all the water that was loosed from this chicken to evaporate. So I'm going to add my water to this now. But before I add my water, I want to show you just when to know that your curry is ready. When it starts sticking again to the pot and all the oil is separating from the masala, all the water is already evaporated from this. So I'm going to add my water to this now so that it cooks. Giving this a stir. After you add the water, guys, you can go ahead and raise the heat to high. Make sure you pay close attention to it so it doesn't burn. Once it comes to a boil, you can lower your heat back to medium. Or if you want to keep it on high, it's up to you. Whatever works for you. This is what it looks like after 10 minutes of adding the water. So you're going to allow this to boil until the sauce is nice and thick. Here is a look at my curry once the sauce is all thickened up. So to this, I'm going to add my potato that I've boiled. And I'm also going to add a few chopped scallions. And I'm going to mix this into the curry. And remember guys, if you like your potato to boil throughout the cooking process of your chicken, go ahead and do that. That can work as well. But I don't like to cook my potato throughout because I find that my curry tastes more like potato curry rather than the chicken curry. I want to taste that chicken more than that potato. So that is the only reason I don't add the potato throughout the cooking process. So this is all done right now. I'm going to turn my stove off.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.
Bye.